Yes.
It's recording. It did not.
What's so funny? It's a weight.
Oh, alright, I thought it was something completely different.
What do you think it was? Take it apart.
Shake weight.
Yeah. Give it a shot.
Ooh, will this really work?
I don't know. It might help Haley out with the moaning.
The what?
Haley had to switch bedrooms because of the moaning.
Oh.
That's what I thought that was. I was like,
Try it out.
It go like there you go. Does it?
It's going on Facebook.
Does it work
Yeah.
for?
It does. Is it supposed to just warm your arms or everything else? Arms and shoulders?
No, it takes away the moaning.
It takes away the moaning?
It's like.
Face.
Oh yeah.
Just
I know. I've seen these things on TV.
not in your room.
Well, mine's bigger in the room.
Now this is how you do it.
Sure. No, you gotta grab that thing with 2 hands.
Oh, that's gonna make me stronger. I'm used
It's
to
supposed
that.
to work the flappy part of your arm.
Oh, but I'm already strong.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Welcome to the gun show. Thank you, Mom. Pretty DVD included. Where's the DVD? There's a DVD included. $6 today. Shake that weight. Oh yeah. Congratulations on your purchase of the shake weight. Congratulations.